In most Western European languages, the root for the word voice is vocare. It's Latin for call, invoke, or name. It's a verb, to call, invoke, or name. And vocare is also the root of the word vocation, what we are called to do in the world. It is also the root of the word avocation, the things we love to do, our hobbies, things that just give us deep enjoyment. It is also the root of the word advocacy, which means to use our voice on behalf of something we care about. And finally, it is also at the root of the word invocation, which means to call spirit into the world through the vehicle of our voice.